Hey everyone, welcome to the amazing word world. And look who's here. It's our buddy Krishna. He's on a super special quest today to find all the words that make our stories totally awesome. So, Krishna's got a question for you. Are you ready for an adventure? Yeah? I thought so. This is going to be so much fun. Come on, let's go. Okay, so here's the mission. Krishna is searching for 8 secret word treasures. Yep, 8 of them. These are super special words that help us build every single story we tell. The very first treasure we're going to find is something called a naming word. What do you think that could be? Let's find out together. We found it. The first treasure is called a noun. And you know what? A noun is just a simple way of saying a naming word. It's the name for, well, everything. Like a person, say hi, Krishna. Or a place, like your school. Or an animal, like a moo cow. Or really anything at all. Whoa, look over there. Krishna sees a big, tall, what's that called? A tree. That's right. So the word tree is a noun because it's the name of that thing. See? Super easy. Nouns are literally everywhere you look. All right, time for treasure number 2. Now this one is like a secret password or a super cool shortcut. It's called a pronoun. And what it does is it takes the place of a noun. So we don't have to keep saying the same name again and again and again. That gets kind of boring, right? So check this out. We could say, Krishna is playing. Krishna is happy. But it sounds a little repetitive, doesn't it? So we use our shortcut. We can say, Krishna is playing. He is happy. See that? The word he is our pronoun, our shortcut for Krishna. Awesome. Okay, we've got our naming words. Now let's go find the words that make things happen. Get ready to move because next up we have verbs. Verbs are action words. They're the doing words. They tell us what's going on, like running or jumping or singing. Verbs are what put all the action and excitement into our stories. Okay, look at the cow. What is the cow doing? The cow eats. That word eats, that's our verb. It's the action. It's what the cow is actually doing. Simple as that. Ooh, now it's time for a little bit of magic. Our next treasure is called an adjective. And adjectives are kind of like magic paintbrushes. They're describing words, and they add all the beautiful colors and details to our nouns. Hey, remember our friend the cow? Well, let's use our magic paintbrush. Look now, the white cow eats. That word white, that's our adjective. It tells us more about the cow. It helps us see it in our imagination. It's not just some cow, it's a special white cow. You think we're done with details? No way. We can add even more. Our next treasure is the adverb. So if adjectives describe our naming words, then adverbs describe our action words. They tell us how something is happening. Like, is Krishna running super duper fast or is he running kind of slowly? Let's go back to our cow. The white cow eats slowly. There it is. Slowly is the adverb. It tells us how the cow is eating. Wow, look at our sentence now. It's getting so full of awesome details. Okay, we're almost there. The last few treasures are like special connecting words that help stick all our ideas together like glue. First up, we have prepositions. Now I know that sounds like a really big grown-up word, right? But the idea is super simple. Prepositions just tell us the position of something. They tell us where stuff is. Let me show you. See this ball? Where is it? Well, the ball is on the table. That little word on is our preposition. It's telling us exactly where to find the ball. But wait, what happens if we just change that one little word? Ready? Abracadabra. Now the ball is under the table. Did you see that? Just by changing on to under, we changed where the ball is. How cool is that? These little words are super powerful. Okay, on to the next one. These are called conjunctions, and I like to call them word bridges. Can you guess why? Because they build a bridge to connect our words and our ideas all together. Like this. Krishna likes milk, and he likes fruit. See that word and? That's our word bridge. It's connecting milk and fruit together in one yummy sentence. And now, for our very last treasure. Get ready because these are so much fun. They're called interjections. Interjections are short little words that just burst out when you have a really big feeling, like you're super surprised or really excited.
Just imagine, Krishna looks up at the sky and he sees a giant, colorful rainbow. He might yell out, "Wow, what a beautiful rainbow!" That word, wow, that's the interjection. It's just bursting with excitement. And guess what? That was the last one. You did it. You and Krishna collected all 8 treasures. Let's take a look at the awesome Word World Toolkit you just built. Here it is, your very own toolkit we have. Nouns are naming words. Pronouns are shortcut words. Verbs are action words. Adjectives are describing words. Adverbs are action detail words. Prepositions are position words. Conjunctions are word bridges. And interjections are feeling words. Wow, what an amazing collection!
You all did such a fantastic job today. Krishna had the best time on this adventure with you. So now you have this amazing toolkit. And I have a question for you. What new words are you going to discover today? Keep your eyes and ears open. Look for them in books and when people are talking. Have so much fun building your own amazing stories. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.